So now let's use elif. So for example, we can use it here. Go back. So here we're gonna say, okay, let's put result equal to num1 multiplied by num2. So let's make if result is greater than 0. No, let's put if result is greater than 10, then type print value is greater than 10. Now let's use elif. Else if result greater than 20, print the same value greater than 20. If not, so this is for all other options, right? So whatever the result is, it will print everything. So if the result is not greater than 10 and the result is not greater than 20, we can print other options. So now let's move this to the code. So here, this is after my results, after here. And then we have if result greater than 10. So our code is console right line, type value is greater than 10, then else if, now we need the condition because we have if result greater than 20, we open close bracket, then we have console right line, and we put value is greater than 20. So here, sorry for this time. And then for any other options, else, we also open and close bracket, and then we write console right line other possible values, right? So let's try and see what happens with our elif. So to make it the first one, it will go to the last option. We will go here because we're gonna make the multiplication to be less than 10. So multiply 2 by 2, the value is other possible values. So it means our condition of this and this was not executed, so it took the last one. So now let's make it go to result 10. So result 10, to make it, we need to multiply, let's say 2 multiply by 6, it will give us 12. So 2 and 6, so value is greater than 10, the result is 12. So you see, if execute only one, if this is true, execute this. If this is true, execute this, but it doesn't execute the next one. So let's make the third sample and let's try now. Type a number and let's make it 10 multiply by 3, then the value is greater than 10, the result is 30. So what is the problem here? The problem is that 30 is always greater than 10, so it will never go inside the elif. So this is a good exercise for debugging. So that means we need to put the higher value there, and we need to change this. That means that if the value is greater than 20, it will do this one. But what happens if the value is not greater than 20? Then we have check if the value is greater than 10. So let's do this one. Now we have fixed our first bug. So let's try again. 10, 3. So the value is greater than 20. And now let's make it 5, 4. The value is greater than 10, but the result is 20. So you see now it's working. It is greater than 20? No. If we go to the second one, it's greater than 10? Yes, it's greater than 10.